Hello everybody! Happy Sunday! I wanted to go over our BUJO Acrylics and share with you some tips on how to use them, since they're kind of a new product and I haven't seen anything like it. So there are 3 different sizes. These 2 actually come in a B6 size as well, but the ones that you're looking at right now is an A5 size. The reason why I created these products is because I suck at drawing lines and calculating the math, how to evenly make squares for your monthly section. I'm just awful at that. I'm also really bad at doing script. So I created cheat sheets, I guess, to make it easier, especially for people like me who are really bad with doodling, or they just want to save time by using stickers. All of these are stickers. As you can see, I really filled out July very well. But this mini calendar is also a sticker. And what you kind of do is you line it up either with a dot or all the way at the end of the planner. So the spacing in between is honestly up to you. This is the week on 2 pages. And this is the Annie Plans and Oristel notebook, by the way, which they gifted me very graciously. I'm using some of the planners that they gave me as well, and I really like them. And I lined it up where the perforation was. And then obviously when you go on to the other side, you only need to do 3, making it 7 boxes. I'm taking one of our script sheets. So this is the washi that I pulled for January. It's kind of like a cozy winter month. I'm just gonna line up the acrylic to the edge of the paper. Okay, and as we're getting to the end, I moved my hand a little bit closer for a little bit more pressure. Okay. Going to be doing some new washi very soon. I kind of put a hold on washi for a very long time actually. We used to do regular washi releases, and it's been I don't know, I think over 2 years since we've done a washi release, which is very sad because I love washi. Really excited to be doing it again. The middle one is from Paper Geek Co. We did a collab with them a very long time ago. And then this one is from Coffee Monsters Co. When I decorated January, I went in with a whole bunch of icons, which is really fun. So obviously when you do a month on 1 page, the squares are smaller and you have less room. So this would be really ideal if you have less going on, or you have just events you want to mark, nothing that you want to write too much about. And if you have a lot more going on or more you want to write, I recommend doing the months on 2 pages. Let me know if you want to see me using the week on 2 pages. Maybe I'll decorate it next time. Thanks everyone. Bye.